Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall continue the grammar topic direct and indirect speech. In previous video lecture, we have discussed two basic rules of changing direct into indirect. First is change in pronoun. Second is change in tense. Now let us discuss on third rule, that is change in words or expressions. While passing from direct to indirect speech, words expressing nearness in time and place are changed into words expressing distance. यानी जो वर्ड्स नियरनेस को शो कर रहे थे, जब हम उसको इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करते हैं तो वो डिस्टेंस को शो करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन सी अ चार्ट हेयर. डायरेक्ट स्पीच, इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. हेयर changed into there. This changed into that. These changed into those. Now is changed into then. Thus is changed into so. Hence is changed into thence. Ago is changed into before. Today is changed into that day. Tomorrow is changed into the next day. Yesterday is changed into previous day. Last night, last week is changed into the previous night or week. Tonight is changed into that night. And last is the next day is changed into the following day. Let's see the examples. I said to you, I intend to start business next year. We will change in indirect speech, then it will be like this. I told you that. Said to is changed into told. That I intended to start business the following year. यानी नेक्स्ट हमने किस में चेंज कर दिया? फॉलोइंग में चेंज कर दिया. नेक्स्ट इज she said to him, I bought these books yesterday. इसको चेंज करते हैं इनडायरेक्ट में. She told him that she had bought those books the previous day. आप यहाँ पर चेक कीजिए, जो वर्ड नियरनेस को शो कर रहे थे, जैसे these है, वो हमने चेंज कर दिया those में, और yesterday को हमने चेंज किया है the previous day में. These basic rules remain the same for all kinds of reported speeches, but reporting verbs and conjunctions depend upon whether we are reporting a statement, a question, or a command. So first we will discuss here reported statements. Conversation of assertive sentences reporting statements from direct speech into indirect speech. While converting an assertive sentence into indirect speech, the following points have to be kept in mind. तो वो क्या पॉइंट्स हैं, क्या रूल्स हैं, उसके लिए अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे. द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब said changes into told. Second point is, if the reporting verb has no object, it does not change. Third is, that is used as conjunction. Here are some examples to clear the rule. Example number 1 is, Deep said to me, I like this bouquet. In this you can see present indefinite is used. When we change in indirect form, then it will be changed in past indefinite. Deep told me that he liked that bouquet. Second example is Deep said to me, I am playing. Here present continuous is used, and when we change in indirect form, it will change in past continuous. Deep told me that he was playing. Third is Deepa said to me, I have prepared dinner. In this sentence, present perfect is used, and when we change in indirect form, it will change in past perfect. Deepa told me that she had prepared dinner. Fourth is Deep said to me, he has been playing cricket for 2 hours. Here present perfect continuous is used, and when we change in indirect, it will change in past perfect continuous. Deep told me that he had been playing cricket for 2 hours. Example number 5 is Deep said, I went to Jaipur yesterday. Here past indefinite is used, and when we change in indirect form, it will convert in past perfect. Deep said that he had gone to Jaipur the previous day. Sixth is Deep said to me, I was playing. Here past continuous is used. When we change in indirect form, past perfect continuous tense will use. Deep told me that he had been playing. Seventh is Deep said to me, I had completed my work. Here past perfect is used, and in indirect form it will remain same. Deep told me that he had completed his work. You can see here only pronoun is changed. Tense is no change here. Deep said to me he had been playing cricket for 2 hours. Here past perfect continuous is used, and it will also remain same. Deep told me that he had been playing cricket for 2 hours. Example 9th, Harish said, I will support the Indian team in the next match. यहाँ पर will का यूज़ किया गया है, तो हम इसको चेंज करेंगे would में. Harish said that he would support the Indian team in the following match. Example 10th is I said to Tina, your dress will be stitched next week. When in convert in indirect form, I told Tina that her dress would be stitched the following week. 11th is Deep said to me, I shall have played cricket by 7 p.m. When we convert in indirect speech, Deep told me that he would have played cricket by 7 p.m. 12th is Deep said to me, I shall have been playing cricket for a long time by 5 a.m. And in indirect speech, Deep told me that he would have been playing cricket for a long time by 5 a.m.